So if you're watching this video, you already understand how important is email marketing for exactly your business. So I guess I don't need to sell you on that. And also, if you don't know how to implement the whole email marketing strategy on your business step by step, just watch my previous video. Basically, I explained everything you need to know in a 4-year-old language. So yeah, even a kid would understand. And if you already watched it, or if you're a business owner or email marketer interested in exactly pop-ups, here's basically my results for other clients. As you can see, my best client has a 20% pop-up rate. I think it was actually more, but yeah, here it is 20, 16, 15. And by the way, I'm not afraid to show my worst results. Yeah, some clients are harder to work with. They have a harder niches, harder website, harder audience. But it will be much better in some time because basically we do lots of A/B tests for them. And and also it's a little hard client to work with. So basically, I'm your guy, you need to listen to me, and all the other YouTube tutorials don't have same results as I do. So, as you know from my other videos, for my email marketing clients, my Shopify clients, I use a pack system. Sorry for my Russian keyboard. Pack system, which means pop-ups, automations, campaigns. And today we'll be talking about P, which stands for pop-ups. And by the way, I'm baking a bread right now. So let's do a challenge in less than 10 minutes. So before the bread will be ready, I will explain you everything I know, so you can just copy my results. And yeah, for your clients. So P pop-ups. Pop-up. First of all, I want to show you some good pop-up examples that have crazy results. And basically about comfort, first of all, you probably know that brand, and I personally saw their admin panel. And exactly this pop-up has about 16% sign-up rate. These two brands, I haven't seen the admin panels, but also they have about 16% sign-up rate. So in this video, I won't tell you that you need to A/B test everything, etc. I think you understand that, but I guess you either don't have time or patience. So I'm just gonna tell you what works and what exactly works right now. First of all, great design, then offer, and then let's call it with a type style, I don't know, with style. So these are three things that you need to have. Maybe great design, like not all of you are designers, I understand. So basically if you don't have anyone, or if you don't want to use this software that does everything for you, so this amazing design you can make basically from the template. Yeah, if you don't have anything, just use the offer and quiz style. So about the design, again, you don't need to overthink it, because right now I will tell you exactly how to create a great copy and then design. So copy, again, Russian keyboard, copy. First of all is your logo. First of all, logo. You just include your logo here or here, it is in the middle. But honestly, it doesn't matter. How I usually do it is on the mobile phones, I usually do everything on the top, and on the desktop, of course, because they're like bigger screens, I do everything in the middle, because if you want, all the text will be just a chaos. So yeah, basically it doesn't matter, just include your logo, that's the first thing. And next, what about the copy? Again, don't overthink it. Everything that works is already tested for you. Just write, you've got X, basically offer. That's all. Your headline, you've got offer. Just make it look good. And then, under offer, you write, select your X to claim. And you either use a finger down emoji here, or just double dot. Well, yeah, because it's actually so funny that people try to overthink and overcomplicate it so much, when in reality it's so easy. Select your X to claim, and then selection 1, selection 2, selection 3. So you're gonna ask me, but George, if user gonna select number 1, number 2, number 3, I will need to send him different emails for selection 1, 2, and 3. And my answer is, of course you can if you want, but you don't have to. You just, because why am I showing that style to you? Because it just works better than everything else. And it doesn't matter what you send after. Right now we are focusing on sign up rates, which are the best with that type of pop-ups. Okay, so yeah, you've got offer, select your X to claim, selection 1, selection 2, selection 3. And about the design, again, obviously if you've never made any pop-up, just copy someone. Just go to the LA website. Obviously, all these pop-ups have insane sign-up rates. Otherwise, they wouldn't include them on the website. So just copy any pop-up and just make the same design and use the text that I just said you to use, and you will get these results. It's actually a good thing that my videos don't get lots of views, because the things that I explain, no one does. No one explains them. No one. Okay. Offer. Again, it's so easy. It's either X% off or $% off. $X off. That's all. Shipping, free shipping, never works. Free, I don't know, anything, nothing works. Lead magnets, well, okay, and lead magnet, yes. If you sell a book or something, like free X gonna work, like free chapter of the book or something, because if you somehow can give a free try of your product, do that. If you can't, just X% off, $X off. I would say use X% off if your average order value is below $50, and $X off, I mean, if it's more than $50, because you will have like $5 off, which looks much better than 10% off. Also an important thing, don't write $5 off, use a $5 account balance. Like you have $5 on your balance, because in human psychology it basically triggers ownership bias. And even though humans are not animals, like they understand that they don't have this $5, it's just $5 off. But still, when you're looking at that, conversion rates, I mean sign-up rates, are just better. Because, well, humans are not animals, but at the same time we are. So yeah, 10% off, $5 account balance, or free X. That's your offer. So in your copy, for example, if you want to do 10% off, select your, for example, if you sell a beauty product, face issue. Okay, not issue. Women don't like this word. For example, select, for example, what we can help. How we can help you, for example. How we can help you to claim. Yeah, and for example, face, how is this thing called? Acne, yeah, face, red dots, I don't know, red dots, and black dots. Well, you can write basically anything. But still it's important to trigger some issue that your customer actually faces. So yeah, 10%. So yeah, and the last thing, quiz style. Basically, we already talked about it. You do a quiz, you do a quiz, and after user clicks this button, you just ask for his email and then phone number. My Mac is lagging again. Okay, email, number, and success. Yeah, as easy as it is. The one thing that I want you to remember is that when you have a button, let me actually show you. No, I will actually not show you, because if I try my recording software. No, I will actually not show you, because if I try, my recording software will crash. But yeah, in the email, you will have the same page, but here you write, enter your email address and just email form, right? And below it will be a button. So about the button below. So yeah, just let me write it here. Write your email, claim, for example. Write your email to claim, and then let's make the text smaller, even smaller. And then yeah, you just have an email form. And then there will be a button. So in this button, you never write the word continue. No. Either just claim or, for example, claim my offer. That's all. Because if continue, people are lazy and they will understand that you will ask something else. So in our case, is the phone number after asking the email. So they will just click off because they don't want to spend their time. And if your button is claim my offer, they see that that's the only thing that they need to do, write that damn email, and they will get the desired offer. So yeah, and with the button continue, they won't. So yeah, same thing with phone number, and with success, you just have a close button or continue shopping. So yeah, you just write continue shopping button here. So yeah, choose a brand, copy design, write in terms of copyright everything that I just said you, and you will get these results. And again, if you want to learn more about email marketing, check out my last video. And if you want to work with me, I guess you understood that I'm kind of smart guy. Just book a call with me in the link in the description. I'll be happy to help you. And yeah, have a nice one.